Local news for Tuesday the 7th of November. Te Atu Tino Toa predicts a big shake-up for Māori voters following the 2018 Māori option. The group has been crunching the latest enrolment numbers and predicts several boundary changes if a new Māori seat is created. If there is a new seat, several boundaries will move. Ikaroa-Rāwhiti may be more focused on Hawke's Bay and the area north along the east coast, while a new lower North Island seat may include Wairarapa, Wainuiomata, Lower and Upper Hutt, Porirua, Kapiti, Palmerston North and Whanganui. Emergency services attended an accident on Pownell Street Sunday night, two cars colliding head-on just before 8 p.m. And a former Wairarapa supervisor has been elected to the Farmlands Board of Directors. Now on the Bay of Plenty, Warren Parker was previously a Professor of Agribusiness and Resource Management at Massey University, where he spent 18 years in various roles. He also was a supervisor of a 9,000 stock unit Riverside farm in Wairarapa. And in sport, Masterton's Bianca Hawera won the senior wall handling at the Manawatu A&P show at the weekend, and also gaining a podium finish was Nicole Pituha, who came in third.